Welcome! This is Dr. Tiwari, and this is your introduction to logarithms. Let's begin! We know to pray, that's easy math. It's 8, just follow the path. The power's 3, no need to stress, but sometimes the numbers make a mess. Like 2 to the x equals 20. What's the power? Can't guess it gently. We scratch our heads, we search for clues. That's when logarithms make their moves. What's the power? What's the plan? Logarithms help you understand. They find exponents, big or small. Logs can handle them all. If b to the x gives you n, we flip it around and say it again. Log base b of n is x. That's the math behind the specs. It's just the power. Don't be stressed, that makes b rise to pass the test. Like log base 2 of 8 is 3. Cause 2 crew equals 8, you see. What's the power? What's the plan? Logarithms help you understand. They flip the script, they bring the light to solve exponents just right. We say log base b of n equals x. And just like that, you've unlocked the power.
Let's start with the products. Rule number 1, multiply in size, split when you're done. Log base b of m times n becomes 2 logs, my clever friend. Log base b m plus log base b n. Add the logs again and again, like log base 2 of 8 times 4. That's 3 plus 2, we get 5 for sure. Now let's divide, that's property 2. It's the minus rule, here's what you do. Log base bm over n is log base bm minus log base bn. Log base 3 of 27 on 3, that's log 27. Then subtract log 3. 3 minus 1, that gives you 2. Another log trick, now you're cool too. Or rule number 3, let's raise the power. Bring it down, now that's your superpower. Log base b of m to the k becomes k times log base b of m. Hooray! Log base 10 100, that's lit. It's log of 10 square. Now split 2 times log 10, that equals 2. That's how power rule works for you. And add when you multiply, subtract when you divide. Bring the power down, math on your side. 3 log rules, now you know. Watch your math power grow and grow.
Let's talk logs, yeah, you know the name, but not all logs are quite the same. There's one with base 10 used all around. It's the common log, safe and sound. Lutz log base 10 of 1000 is 3. That's cause 10 Claude Cree is what it be. So if you see plain log, no stress. It's base 10 just like the rest. But here comes n, that's natural C. It's base e like 2 post 718. ln of e is equal to 1. It's used in calculus, oh what fun! With logs a power finder, solving for x. From math class basics to finance checks. Change the base, go solve with ease. Logs are tools for math expertise. Your calculator just shows 2 logs. log and ln, they're in the box. What if you need log base 2 of 32? Don't panic, I got a trick for you. Log base b of n becomes log n divided by log b. That's the sum, like log base 2 of 32. Let's write, it's log 32. Log 2, that's right. Put 1 Foppy 1 on top, Yule 30 10 below. Divide it out and boom, you know it equals 5 and we're back on track. Change of base has got your back. Logs are power finders, solving for x. From science labs to finance checks. Change the base, go solve with ease. Logs are tools for math expertise. What if the log's all that you see? Like log base 4 of x equals 2, easy. Just convert to exponential form. X equals 4 squared, that's the norm. So x equals 16 and we're done. Solving logs can be real fun. Just flip the form and solve just for numbers and grades. They show up in life in so many ways. In chemistry, pH is a log scale. Acid or base, the log tells the tale. Earthquakes rumble on Richter's line. Each step's 10 times more by design. No sound intensity, that's decibels too. Louder the sound, higher the logarithmic view. Finance grows with interest, compound style. Exponential growth, logs make it worthwhile. Then logs are everywhere, can't be denied. From shaking ground to money multiplied. They help decode the world we see with the power of math and clarity. So next time you meet a log, don't just skip it. Understand it, change it, solve it, and see how math explains the world.
Alright, rock stars of math, let's recap with some brain food. It's homework time. Try these. 1 log base 10 of 1,000. What's that equal to? 2 soft log base 7 of equals 3. 3 simplify log base 10 of 4 plus log base 10 of 25. 4 and right log base 3 of 15. Using any log you've got. Take your time, press pause if you need. And don't forget to show your steps. If logs make sense and you want more sound, with formulas dancing all around, then like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We'll learn more math and learn it well. This is Dr. Tiwari, turning equations into education. See you in the next class.